स्टूडेंट्स, आई वेलकम यू ऑल वंस अगेन टू दिस चैनल। और इस वीडियो में हम लोग पढ़ेंगे मार्च 2022 का करंट अफेयर्स। ठीक है, मार्च 2022 का करेंगे। इससे पहले जुलाई 2021 से लेकर फरवरी तक का अपलोडेड है। सिंगल वीडियो है, इसको जाके आप प्लेलिस्ट में देख सकते हो। एक प्लेलिस्ट बनी हुई है स्पीडी करंट अफेयर्स के नाम से, उसमें आप जाके देख सकते हो। चैनल पे जाइए, विजिट कीजिए और देखिए। और अगर आप चैनल पे नए हैं तो सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, बेल आइकन को भी प्रेस कीजिए ताकि आपको ऐसे ही वीडियोस मिलते रहें लेटेस्ट। ठीक है, तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं इसको। इसमें मार्च का पहला इवेंट दिख रहा है, हु डिस्ट्रॉयड द वर्ल्ड लार्जेस्ट एयरक्राफ्ट मारिया जो एयरक्राफ्ट था, वर्ल्ड का लार्जेस्ट एयरक्राफ्ट था। ये यूक्रेन के पास था। यूक्रेन और रसिया की लड़ाई हुई और रसिया ने इसको डिस्ट्रॉय कर दिया। हु हैज़ रिच्ड द टॉप ऑफ ATP मेंस रैंकिंग, तो डेनियल मेदवेदेव बहुत ही खतरनाक खिलाड़ी हैं ये। ठीक है, टेनिस के, इन्होंने ओलंपिक में गोल्ड मेडल भी जीता था, तो ये वर्ल्ड के नंबर 1 बन गए हैं अभी ATP रैंकिंग में। विच मेडल हैज़ बीन वन बाई पूजा जतयान इन पैरा आर्चरी वर्ल्ड चैम्पियनशिप, तो सिल्वर मेडल इन्होंने जीता है। पूजा जतयान ने सिल्वर मेडल जीता है। On March 1, 2022, IOC withdraw the top Olympic honor from president of which country? सही आंसर है रसिया। ये इसलिए किया गया क्योंकि रसिया ने अटैक कर दिया था, ठीक है, यूक्रेन के ऊपर, और इसी के को देखते हुए ये छीन लिया गया इनसे। ठीक है, हु हैज़ बिकम द न्यू चेयरमैन ऑफ NAAC मार्च 1 को? सही आंसर है भूषण पटवर्धन। Which country Long March 8 rocket has put 22 satellite in the space on March 2? सही आंसर है चाइना। Where is the first ambulance for street animal launched on March 22? सही आंसर है चेन्नई। जो स्ट्रे एनिमल्स हो जाते हैं, स्ट्रीट में घूमते हैं, उनके लिए एम्बुलेंस सेवा चेन्नई में लॉन्च की गई है। आगे बढ़ेंगे। Which has been appointed as the captain of IPL टीम पंजाब किंग्स? सही आंसर है मयंक अग्रवाल। और सच बताऊँ तो इनका परफॉर्मेंस इतना अच्छा नहीं रहा कैप्टन बनने के बाद, और पंजाब में काफ़ी पोटेंशियल था बट जीत नहीं पाए लोग। विच डे वाज सेलिब्रेटेड ऑन March 3? वर्ल्ड वाइल्ड लाइफ डे। विच स्टेट गवर्नमेंट हैज़ डिक्लेयर द एंटायर स्टेट एज द डिस्टर्ब्ड एरिया? सही आंसर है आसाम ने ये डिक्लेयर किया है। अकॉर्डिंग टू रिपोर्ट, हु हैज़ टॉप्ड इन टर्म्स ऑफ नंबर ऑफ बिलियनियर पॉपुलेशन? सही आंसर है यूएसए सबसे ऊपर है, फिर चाइना आता है और उसके बाद इंडिया आता है। ठीक है, इंडिया तीसरे नंबर पे है बिलियनियर के टर्म्स में। हु हैज़ बिकम CEO ऑफ यशराज फिल्म? सही आंसर है अक्षय विधानी। विच मेडल वन बाई निखत जरीन एंड नीतू एट स्त्रंजा मेमोरियल बॉक्सिंग टूर्नामेंट? सही आंसर है गोल्ड। हु हैज़ बिकम द न्यू कमांडिंग इन चीफ ऑफ वेस्टर्न कमांड ऑफ इंडियन एयरफोर्स? सही आंसर है श्री कुमार प्रभाकरन जो है कमांडिंग इन चीफ बन गए हैं वेस्टर्न कमांड इंडियन एयरफोर्स के। विच डे वाज सेलिब्रेटेड ऑन 4th March? सही आंसर है नेशनल सेफ्टी डे। वेयर वाज द हर्थ महोत्सव सेलिब्रेटेड? सही आंसर है जम्मू कश्मीर। विच कंट्री हैज़ टॉप्ड एट सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट इंडेक्स रिलीज्ड ऑन 4th March? सही आंसर है फिनलैंड। हु हैज़ बिकम द न्यू CEO ऑफ जेट एयरवेज? सही आंसर है संजीव कपूर। विच IIT हैज़ डेवलप्ड बायोडिग्रेडेबल नैनो पार्टिकल ऑन March 4, 2022? सही आंसर है IIT कानपुर ने ये लॉन्च किया है। वेयर हैज़ द 12th ICC वुमेन क्रिकेट वर्ल्ड कप स्टार्टेड? सही आंसर है न्यूजीलैंड। रसिया एंड विच कंट्री एथलीट्स आर बैंड फ्रॉम 2022 विंटर पैरालंपिक गेम्स ऑन March 4? सही आंसर है बेलारूस। इन विच स्टेट कालियत्तम फेस्टिवल स्टार्टेड ऑन March 5? सही आंसर है केरल। विच टीम हैज़ वन द प्रो कबड्डी लीग सीजन 8 टाइटल? दबंग दिल्ली। Which automotive company has started a new EV brand Vida on March 5? सही आंसर है हीरो। Which airline is going to become first airline in world to use solar fuel from March 5? सही आंसर है स्विस एयरलाइन। Which country has been included in FATF grey list? सही आंसर है UAE। Which medal did Mr. Nivetha won in the women's 10-meter air pistol event at ISSF World Cup on March 6. सही आंसर है गोल्ड. Where is India's first smart managed EV charging station launch? सही आंसर है न्यू दिल्ली. Where was the trial of country's first indigenous flying trainer aircraft Hansa NG completed on March 6? सही आंसर है पुदुचेरी. Which state government has launched Amma and Bahini योजना? सही आंसर है सिक्किम. Who has been appointed as the chairman of Telecom Dispute Settlement at Appellate Tribunal on March 6? सही आंसर है DN पटेल. Which day was celebrated on 7th March? जन औषधि दिवस. According to announcement of March 7, 2022, who will be awarded as the Nari Shakti Puraskar posthumously? Dr. Ella Lord. Who has become the first woman cricketer to participate in 6 cricket World Cups? सही आंसर है मिथाली राज. According to report released on March 7, which state has topped in terms of per capita net income? सही आंसर है तेलंगाना. मार्च 7 के हिसाब से पर कैपिटा नेट इनकम में तेलंगाना टॉप पे है. वेयर हैज़ द 9th एडिशन ऑफ इंडिया श्रीलंका नेवल एक्सरसाइज स्लीनेक्स स्टार्टेड? विशाखापत्तनम. अकॉर्डिंग टू इंफॉर्मेशन ऑफ March 7, विच स्पेस एजेंसी हैज स्टार्टेड डेवलपिंग यूरोपा क्लिपर स्पेसक्राफ्ट? सही आंसर है नासा. यूरोपा जो है ये जुपिटर का एक सैटेलाइट है. हु हैज़ बिन ऑनर्ड विद पंडित हरिप्रसाद चौरसिया लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट अवार्ड? उस्ताद अमजद अली खान को दिया गया है. वेयर इज़ मोबाइल वर्ल्ड कांग्रेस 2022 ऑर्गेनाइज्ड? सही आंसर है बार्सिलोना. मोबाइल वर्ल्ड कांग्रेस 2022 बार्सिलोना. विच फाउंडेशन डे डिड CISF सेलिब्रेट ऑन March 6? करेक्ट आंसर इज 53rd. विच डे वॉज सेलिब्रेटेड ऑन March 8? International Women's Day. Who has become the 23rd women Grandmaster of India? Priyanka Nutki. Which state government has launched Nan Madhulavam scheme? Tamil Nadu. Nan Madhulavam Tamil Nadu. As per information of March 8, Microsoft will set up India's largest data center area in Hyderabad. Which ministry has launched Donate a Pension initiative on March 8? सही आंसर है लेबर मिनिस्ट्री. Which day was celebrated on March 9? सही आंसर है नो स्मोकिंग डे. In which state Home Minister Amit Shah has announced to give 33% reservation to women? Tripura. And who has presented Vishwakarma National Award on March 9? Bhupender Yadav. According to information, who will get US International Women of Courage Award? Rizwana Hassan. Who has been appointed as the president of FATF Financial Action Task Force? T. Raja Kumar. Who has become the world's most rejected country? Russia. Which state government has announced Matri Shakti Entrepreneurship Scheme? Haryana. According to information, where is the largest sleeping statue of Lord Buddha being built in India? Bodh Gaya. Which state government has started Kausalya Matritva Yojana on March 9? Correct answer is Chhattisgarh. Which country has successfully test fired the second military satellite Noor 2? Correct answer is Iran. Where was the FLO Industrial Park inaugurated on March 9? FLO Industrial Park inaugurated on March 9 in Telangana. Let's move further. Which country has become the world's largest producer of crude oil? Correct answer America. Who has retired from all form of first class cricket on March 10? S. Sreesanth. Which state government has completed 100 years of Pal Dadhwa Massacre? Correct answer is Gujarat. Which state has secured first position in Mission Indradhanush? Correct answer Odisha. Yoon Suk Yeol become the new president of which country? South Korea. On March 10, 2022, IPC has banned Russia and which country in Beijing Winter Paralympic? Belarus. रसिया और बेलारूस दोनों को। विच स्टेट गवर्नमेंट हैज़ इनाग्रेटेड इंडियाज लार्जेस्ट फ्लोटिंग सोलर पावर प्रोजेक्ट? करेक्ट आंसर तमिलनाडु। तमिलनाडु लार्जेस्ट फ्लोटिंग सोलर पावर प्रोजेक्ट। Who has become joint highest wicket taker in women's one day World Cup? Correct answer Jhulan Goswami. On March 11, Katalin Novak has been elected as the first female president of which country? Hungary. Which state government has launched Women at Work program on March 11? Correct answer Karnataka. Which country topped the medal tally of ISSF World Cup 2022? Correct answer is India. Correct answer is India. इंडिया ने टॉप किया इसको। नेक्स्ट है ऑन March 11, 2022 चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ विच स्टेट हैज़ अनाउंस्ड सुषमा स्वराज अवार्ड फॉर वुमेन? करेक्ट आंसर है हरियाणा। हु हैज़ बीन अपॉइंटेड बाय गवर्नमेंट एज चेयरमैन ऑफ द नेशनल फाइनेंशियल अथॉरिटी? अजय भूषण पांडे। चेयरमैन ऑफ नेशनल फाइनेंशियल अथॉरिटी अजय भूषण पांडे। हु हैज़ बीन रैंक्ड फर्स्ट इन द स्कॉच स्टेट ऑफ गवर्नेंस रैंकिंग 2021? करेक्ट आंसर आंध्र प्रदेश। Which IIT has installed Param Ganga supercomputer on March 11? IIT Roorkee. According to information, which state government will start doorstep delivery of digital land record? Correct answer will be Bihar. Which state government has launched the Mukhyamantri Cha Shrami Kalyan Prakalpa? Tripura. Who has been appointed as the president of IRDAI? Correct answer is Devashish Panda. Devashish Panda. Where has the first Gati Shakti cargo terminal of Indian Railway been started? On March 12. Correct answer Thapar Nagar, Jharkhand. Who has become the new commandant of Indian Air Force Academy? On March 12. Correct answer is B. Chandrasekhar. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of Char Dham Project Committee on March 12? Correct answer is Justice A.K. Sikri. On March 13, 2022, with whose cooperation the Ministry of Education has launched campaign Kanya Shiksha Pravesh Utsav? Correct answer is UNICEF. UNICEF. Who has become the first unicorn sport enterprises of India? Chennai Super King. Which famous golfer has been formally inducted into World Golf Hall of Fame? Correct answer Tiger Woods. Which ministry has launched a special entrepreneurship promotion campaign for women named Samarth? Correct answer Ministry of MSME. Who has launched Lakshmi for Lakshmi initiative on March 13? HDFC Mutual Fund. Which state government has presented children budget for the first time on March 14? Correct answer Madhya Pradesh. On March 14, 2022, Gabriel Boric of which country became youngest president? Chile. Gabriel Boric, youngest president, Chile. On March 14, 2022, Hindi novel Tomb of Sand, translated by whom, has been nominated for International Booker Prize? Correct answer Gitanjali Sri. Tomb of Sand. Pandrethan Temple, which was in discussion on March 14, is located in which state? Correct answer Jammu and Kashmir. Pandrethan Temple. Which day was celebrated on 15th March? Correct answer World Consumer Rights Day. Who has been elected as the new chairman of Air India on March 15th? सही आंसर है एन चंद्रशेखरन। एन चंद्रशेखर टाटा ग्रुप के हेड हैं। विच बैंक हैज़ लॉन्च्ड ग्रीन डिपॉजिट प्रोग्राम ऑन 15th March? DBS Bank of India. Green Deposit Program. Who has won the leading actor award at BAFTA Award 2022 on March 15? सही आंसर है विल स्मिथ। विल स्मिथ। On March 15, 2022, who won the best film award at BAFTA Award? Power of Dog. Power of Dog. According to SIPRI report, which country has become the largest importer of arm? Correct answer is our nation, India. Which day was celebrated on 16th March? Correct answer is National Immunization Day. On March 16, 2022, India has temporarily shifted its embassy from Ukraine to which country? Poland. Where has the country's first robotics technology park been launched on March 16? Correct answer is Bangalore. According to information released on March 16, 2022, where will India's first World Peace Center be established? Correct answer Gurugram. Which country will host the BIMSTEC Summit 2022? Correct answer is Sri Lanka. Which filmmaker was awarded the Royal Knighthood on March 17? Correct answer is Steve McQueen. Steve McQueen. Which country has launched Rosegram instead of Instagram? Correct answer Russia. Who has been selected for UK Children Book Award on March 17th? Correct answer Manjeet Maan. UK Children Book Award Manjeet Maan. Who has become the richest person in Asia with worth $103 billion? Correct answer Mukesh Ambani. Where is the Mahatma Gandhi Green Triangle unveiled on March 17? Correct answer Madagascar. Mahatma Gandhi Green Triangle unveiled Madagascar. Who has won the Miss World 2021 title? Carolina Bilawaska. Miss World 2021 title Carolina Bilawaska. Who has been nominated for the G.D. Birla Award for Scientific Research on March 17? Correct answer Narayan Pradhan. Where did ISRO successfully test the solid fuel based booster stage SSLV on March 17? Correct answer Andhra Pradesh. Which day was celebrated on March 18? Correct answer Ordnance Manufacturing Day. Where has the 26th edition of International Film Festival started on March 18? Correct answer Thiruvananthapuram. 26th edition of International Film Festival started Thiruvananthapuram. Which state government has launched new sports policy 2022-27? Gujarat. Which state became the first to use crop diversification index on March 18? Correct answer Telangana. Which day was celebrated on 19th March? International Happiness Day. Where has the 35th Suraj Kund International Craft Mela started? So correct answer Faridabad, Haryana. Faridabad, Haryana. According to report released on March 19th, who has become the happiest country? Correct answer Finland. Happiest country Finland. According to information of March 19th, which state government will constitute a state OBC commission? Correct answer Assam. Which day was celebrated on March 20? World Sparrow Day. Who has topped Hurun Global Rich List 2022? Correct answer is Elon Musk. Which bank been honored with Asian Bank of the Year award? Axis Bank. Which foundation day of CRPF was celebrated on March 20? 38th Raising Day. On March 20, M.V. Ram Prasad Bismil, which went from Ganga to which river, has become longest ship ever? Correct answer is Brahmaputra. According to report released by CSI on March 20, which has become most polluted city in India? Correct answer Ghaziabad. Which day was celebrated on March 21? International Day of Forest. International Day of Forest. Where has the 6th NATO military exercise Cold Response 2022 started? Norway. Who has been adjudged Sportsman of the Year at 2022 Sports Star Aces Award? Correct answer Neeraj Chopra. NDMC has tied up with which IIT for drone-based mineral exploration? Correct answer IIT Kharagpur. Which state became first state to implement NEVA program? Nagaland. Which country's government has honored Suresh Raina with Sports Icon Award? Maldives. Where is Putul Utsav organized? New Delhi. Putul Utsav, New Delhi. Who won the Bahrain Grand Prix 2022? Charles Leclerc. Charles Leclerc. Who has won the Asian Billiard title 8th time? Pankaj Advani. Which day was celebrated on March 22? Correct answer, World Water Day. World Water Day. The 9th joint military exercise L'Amitié 2022 held between India and which country? Correct answer, Seychelles. Who has become the youngest woman swimmer to swim across the Pak Strait on March 22? Correct answer, Jia Rai. Who has become the first African to win Pulitzer Prize 2022? Correct answer, Francis Carey. Francis Carey became the first African to win Pulitzer Prize 2022. In which state Dol Utsav was celebrated? West Bengal. Who has won their maiden Indian Super League title on March 22? Correct answer, ISL जीता है हैदराबाद FC. रनर अप केरला ब्लास्टर. Which day was celebrated on March 23? World Meteorological Day. On March 23, 2022, the joint training exercise named Exercise Dastalik between armies of India and which country? Dastalik, Army of India and Uzbekistan. Dastalik. Who has won 13th Green Storm Photography Award on March 23? Correct answer, Mohammad Raja Masumi. Mohammad Raja Masumi. Which state Tarsing Pettai Nageswaram has got GI tag? Correct answer, Tamil Nadu. Who has become world most polluted capital? Delhi on March 23. Which Indian origin doctor has been appointed as the White House COVID-19 response coordinator? Correct answer, Ashish Jha. Ashish Jha. Which state celebrated its foundation day on March 22? Correct answer, Bihar. Which country tennis player Ashley Barty has announced retirement? Correct answer, Australia. Which day was celebrated on March 24? Correct answer, World Tuberculosis Day. Who has been awarded the Abel Prize for the year 2022? Correct answer, Dennis Parnell. Dennis Parnell. Abel Prize. Which country topped Global Home Price Index Q4 2021 released by Knight Frank? Correct answer, Turkey. Turkey. On March 24, 2022, how many new planets have been discovered outside Earth's solar system by NASA? Correct answer, 45. Which state has become the first to introduce carbon neutral farming practices on March 24? Correct answer, Kerala. Kerala has become the first to introduce carbon neutral farming practices. Kerala. What is the rank of Lakshya Sen of India in All England Open Badminton Championship 2022? Correct answer, second, Lakshya Sen. Who has been appointed CEO of Maruti Suzuki India? Hisashi Takeuchi. Where has the National Conference of Indian Psychiatric Society started? Correct answer, Visakhapatnam. On March 25, the government has set a target to build how many new airports? 220. Who has become the first Indian company to sponsor FIFA World Cup 2022? Correct answer, Baiju. Which Independence Day did Bangladesh celebrate on March 26? Correct answer, 51st. 51st. Which state has topped Export Readiness Index released by Niti Aayog? Gujarat. On March 26, 2022, who has become new captain of IPL team Chennai Super King? Ravindra Jadeja. Who has won the Governor of the Year award at the Central Banking Awards 2022? Correct answer, Mario Merkel. Mario Merkel. Who has inaugurated 10-day festival Bharat Bhagya Vidhata on March 26? Correct answer, Smriti Irani. According to report released on March 27, which state has topped in terms of per capita income? Correct answer, Sikkim. Who has been appointed as chairman of BARC India? Correct answer, Shashi Sinha. Which day was celebrated on March 27? Earth Hour Day 2022. On March 27, who has become the first world number 1 player of Poland in tennis history? Correct answer, Iga Swiatek. On March 28, 2022. On March 28, 2022, Ritu Khanduri became the first woman speaker of which state assembly? Correct answer, Uttarakhand, Ritu Khanduri. Who has been appointed as next Director General of ILO on March 28? Correct answer, Gilbert Hongbo. Which day was celebrated on March 28? World Theatre Day. Which Indian actor has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Yes Bank in Abu Dhabi? Correct answer, Ranveer Singh. Which ship of the Indian Navy has been awarded the prestigious President Colors? Correct answer, INS Balasura. Who has won the title of Swiss Open Badminton 2022? Correct answer, PV Sindhu. Swiss Open Badminton 2022. When has been decided to celebrate National Dolphin Day? 5th October. On March 29, 2022, Shankar Prasad Sharma has been appointed as ambassador of which country in India? Nepal. Who got the Outstanding Leadership Award 2022 on March 29? Seema Rekha. On March 30, 2022, who has been appointed as the chairman of ASSOCHAM? Sumant Sinha. On March 30, 2022, who has been received the Time 100 Impact Award for Mental Health Awareness? Deepika Padukone. On March 30, 2022, Robert Abela was sworn in the Prime Minister of which country? Malta. Robert Abela, Malta. Who has become the new CEO of FedEx on March 30? Correct answer, Raj Brahmanyam. Raj Brahmanyam. What is the rank of India in Hurun Global Under 40 Self-Made Billionaire 2022 list? Correct answer, fourth. Who has been elected as the Speaker of Uttar Pradesh Legislative Assembly? Correct answer, Satish Mahana. Where was the 11th edition of Rashtriya Sanskriti Mahotsav 2022 organized? Andhra Pradesh. Which coveted cup has been won by Indian Railway men's hockey team? Ubaidullah Khan Heritage Cup. Which country has signed agreement on security cooperation with Solomon Island? Correct answer, China. Who has won BBC Sports Women of the Year Award 2021? Correct answer, Mirabai Chanu. Which state's living root bridge has been included in the World Heritage List of Chhattisgarh? Correct answer, Meghalaya. छत्तीसगढ़ नहीं होगा, ये यूनेस्को होना चाहिए. सो दैट्स ऑल. मार्च यहाँ पे ख़त्म होता है. आई होप आपको पसंद आया होगा. पसंद आया तो एक लाइक मारिएगा, शेयर कीजिएगा दोस्तों के साथ, और चैनल पे नए हो तो अभी भी सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए. बाय बाय.